Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me start by asking you, how often do you find yourself wishing you had a product ready to go without having to spend countless hours creating it? I've been there, stuck trying to piece together ideas, writing content, designing graphics, and figuring out how to market it all. That's why today, I'm really excited to share something that might just be a game changer for you, the X Marketing Masterclass PLR. This isn't just another PLR package. It's a complete business in a box that's designed to help you launch your own high-quality marketing course. Whether you're just starting out or already have an established online presence, this package can save you time, energy, and let's be honest, a lot of headaches. So, what exactly is the X Marketing Masterclass PLR? It's a private label rights product that gives you everything you need to start selling a top-tier marketing course under your own name. You don't have to create the content, design the materials, or even write the sales copy. It's all done for you. The best part? You get to keep 100% of the profits. Sounds amazing, right? Now, let me walk you through how simple this process is. First, you download the PLR material. You'll get access to all the resources immediately, and if you want, you can personalize the content. Add your name, tweak a few details, and make it your own. Then, upload the files to your website, set up your PayPal buy buttons, and voila! Your product is live. After that, it's all about driving traffic to your sales page, and every single sale goes directly into your account. What makes this package stand out is the sheer amount of value packed into it. You're not just getting a guide, you're getting an entire ecosystem to support your business. For example, there's a premium quality guide that breaks down everything about using X strategies to grow your business. It's practical, actionable, and easy to follow. Then there's the checklist and mind map, which are perfect for visual learners or anyone who wants to see the big picture. I personally love having a checklist. It keeps me on track and ensures I'm not missing any important steps. And the mind map? It's a great tool to quickly grasp the structure of the entire course. But that's just the beginning. You also get a resource cheat sheet, which is essentially a goldmine of tools, links, and software recommendations. It's organized and ready to go, making it super easy for you or your customers to access everything they need without wasting time searching for it. The package also includes a ready-made sales letter and thank you page. This is huge because, let's be real, writing copy that converts takes skill and time. With this, you don't have to worry about that. Just insert your buy button and you're good to go. It's also mobile-friendly, so you won't lose any potential customers browsing on their phones. And for those of you focused on list building, there's a lead magnet and opt-in page included. This is a massive bonus because we all know how important it is to grow an email list. The lead magnet is high quality, and the opt-in page is professionally designed to convert. The visuals are another area where this PLR package shines. You get a full suite of professional graphics, including e-covers, combo boxes, and more. They're clean, polished, and ready to use. Plus, if you're into social media, the package includes a set of viral social media images. These are perfect for grabbing attention, driving engagement, and bringing traffic back to your sales page. On top of that, you're getting high-quality articles, promotional email swipes, and even licenses that give you full rights to sell, rebrand, or repurpose the content however you want. This kind of flexibility is rare, and it opens up so many possibilities. What really sold me on this PLR package, though, are the fast action bonuses. There's a set of step-by-step training videos that walk you through setting up your sales funnel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the technical side of things, these videos are like having a personal coach guiding you every step of the way. You also get access to a private Discord channel where you can connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, ask questions, and share ideas. And let's not forget the live training that reveals the creator's $5,000 per week strategy. That alone is worth the investment. If you're still on the fence, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. You either love it or you get your money back, no questions asked. This package is perfect for anyone who wants to launch a product without the stress of creating it from scratch. It's an opportunity to establish yourself as an authority, build your list, and generate income, all with a product that's already proven to work. So, if this sounds like the kind of solution you've been looking for, don't wait too long. The special launch discount won't last forever. And honestly, the sooner you get started, the sooner you could be making sales. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.